Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do a delicious or a yummy Nigeria buns. Please, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, don't pass by without subscribing. Be a part of this humble family by subscribing. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful, amazing. God bless you all. And please help me to share this video. Let's get started. I'm using all purple flour. I will start by sieving. Just make yourself comfortable, wash. And I believe after this video, promise that you are going to repeat it. So I'm adding baking powder, nutmeg, salt to taste, sugar. Thereafter, I will give it a gentle stir. Please check my description box for the measurements. Eggs, a melted margarine, a vanilla flavor. Then the work I've started is just for me to keep mixing now. So that is milk, guys. You can use milk throughout, but I'm going to be using milk and water. From here I'm using water. Don't add your liquid ones. You know my video, I always say this. Don't add your liquid ones. If you want a perfect result, don't add your liquid ones. If your liquid is added once, if it's too watery, you cannot really correct it. Correcting it will make you not to get a better result. But you can correct it, but there's nothing like, just do it step by step. Okay. So when you are doing this, guys, really take your time to mix it. Make sure there is no lumps on it. Make sure it's well smooth, as if you are turning funfun. Take your time. You really need to have this drawing consistency, guys. So this one is not a meat pie. So take your time and mix it very well. So can you see how it looks like now? So now I am done. So I will now gather all the edges because they are so important. I don't really want anyone to be left out. So I will cover it for about 15 minutes to rest. Even if it's more than 15 minutes, like 30 minutes, it's still okay. So I've already preheat my oil, but don't allow it to be too hot. So when you are starting, remember, lower your gas. When it has started changing the color, you bring it to a medium heat. When it's almost getting ready, you high your gas. Okay. So at this point, guys, make sure you are putting your hands inside hot water or inside vegetable oil. This thing is very stubborn. I must tell you the truth. Especially when you are doing it for the first time, it's as if you are going to be fighting with it. Okay. So for you to scoop it and put it inside oil is really stubborn. If not, your hand is going to gum, it's going to mess up your hand. So make sure you have a warm water close to you. I hope you are seeing a bowl of water. That is warm water that I'm putting my hand, and you have to be fast about it. If not, some will cook, you will still be dragging to put some inside the oil. Okay. So guys, that is it. How do you see it? I hope it's lovely. Oh, so lovely, wonderful, yummy, so tasteful. Oh my God. Can you see? It's really lovely and yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll bring other satisfying video to your way again. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, like, and put your comment below. So watch to the end, guys. Bye bye.